Hello, my name is Mark Anthony Tarantino. I've been a professional barber for almost 10 years. This is how you book an appointment with me through the Booksy app. Yeah, first you got to go through your app market, whichever it may be, and then search Booksy, Booksy. Find the app, download it, open it. I really like this app, man. This helps me from double booking. All right, so hit that little magnifying glass, or hit barbers, whatever. I prefer the magnifying glass. Type my name, MarkAnthonyTarantino. Hope I spelled that right. And then it should immediately pull my picture up. That's the business card I want you to pull through. You pick a time, pick a day, and then it says right there, confirm. You got to scroll down, hit that button. And it asks you to log into Facebook. Please don't be staring at my Facebook when I go up in there. All right. I cut that piece out so you couldn't peek what my comments said. All right, now it's logged in. There's the dates, times, which barber, everything is all right there. Monday, January 10:30. You can hit map and details. You can get directions down there. You can see my hours right there. Those are my updated hours. Call me if you like. It even prompts you where you can make a text message. All of that. There you go. There it is. Oh man, you know what? You gotta delete the appointment. You gotta go somewhere else today. So you go right back into the app, click that button, boom, there it is, deleted. Freshen it up. Now it's gone. As always, man, this is Mark Anthony Tarantino. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and favorite. I know you want to join the family, y'all. There it is. Hit that button. Let's go.